Wait, whoa. What did I just hear? 500 right here. Can I get 600 from anybody? 550 right here. Can I 600 right there? Soldier away, boss man, $600. Oh, 300. Soldier away, $300. Soldier away, boss man, 150. All right, we got a banner from Grinder TV. 300 going once. 350 right here. Soldier away, 350. Grinder TV. Another banner. Soldier away, boss man, $200. I got 450 back here. 450 back here. 700 going twice. Soldier away, $700. 600 right there. Got 700 right there. Got 9 back there. 1,000 back there. Now 1,100 right there. 1,200 back there. 13 right there. 14 right there. 1,500 right there. 16 right there. 2,000. The man said 2,000. 2,500. Give me the $3,000. $3,000 right there. Soldier away, boss man, $3,000.
Bad girl with a good heart, lost boy got a fresh start, and she's my gasoline. Slick chrome on the Mustang, drop top, no we don't play, cause I'm her nicotine. Uh-oh, don't act like you don't know, frontin' cause you want it, I got it, Can't stop till we got it on lock. Girl, you know I want it, you got it, Let's be renegades, reckless, running through our veins. Let's be renegades, good for nothing, runaways. That girl got her own bag, you know that I like that. She got my heart on her sleeve. So what? Stick 'em like a hole up, working cause we want it, we got it, Let's be renegades, reckless, running through our veins. Let's be renegades, good for nothing, runaways. Uh-oh, don't act like you don't know, frontin' cause you want it, I got it, Let's be renegades, reckless, running through our veins. Let's be renegades, good for nothing, runaways. Let's be renegades, reckless, running through our veins. Let's be renegades, good for nothing, runaways.
What's up? Let me see some red. Yeah.
Tacos on the Battleship.
So what we doing? It's a charity.
City.
God bless America. What we doing is we're doing it for charity for women, you know, for underprivileged women. So if these people bring a bra, they get 1 extra ticket. If my boy right here wears a bra, he gets 2 tickets.
What?
To win
2?
some gangster stuff, my boy.
Saying, man,
Y'all got
that's
this.
what's up. Good luck.
Battle. We got this. Tacos on the Battleship, man.
I ate the tortilla a minute ago.
Welcome to Battle in Bama. I'm David the Corver. I'm running for senator of the great state of Florida. Please come and vote for me right now. Yeah, let's make America great again. Yeah.
Tacos on a battleship.
Yeah, my man, 1350.
2000 and what? 2000 and what? Corona! What? Thanks again, guys. Y'all be safe and let's have a great time tomorrow, okay?
Okay, my name is Francisco with Metal Brothers Hot Rods. We're here at Battle in Bama 2020 having a really good time.
Hi, I'm Derek with Precision Replacement Parts. We're at Battle in Bama and we're having a great time.
I'm Stay Hard. We're at Battle in Bama.
Aftermath is a great, I guess you guys are a club, organization, whatever, but you guys, you've been supporting this event from day one, because I remember seeing Daniel Lehan show up in his black Chevy, and I thought it was the coolest thing. I didn't know who he was really at the time, but I saw the truck, I saw the Darth Vader on the antenna. I really consider most of you guys really personal friends of mine, so I really thank y'all so much, and I really appreciate the fact that you chose Battle in Bama to come and celebrate your 20 years. I know that it was supposed to be back in May.
First of all, I want to say thank you to you guys, your whole association, your group, your friends, everybody that's helped us out throughout the years, pushed us to be who we are. I definitely didn't do this alone. All these guys here did it with us throughout the years. We've been doing it for 20 years now. We've been going strong as we can go, and hopefully for another 20 years, this is what we're going to do.
Absolutely.
All right, y'all. Thank y'all. Congratulations again.
I'm James Adams. I brought my CT in here from North Carolina. I'm here at Battle in Bama having a great time.
Hey, my name's Tim Childers. I'm from Gaffney, South Carolina. I'm here with my 1968 Chevrolet C10 built by Jason Mode at New Creations. We're out here at the Battle in Bama show having a great time.
My name's Al Billings. I'm from Forest City, North Carolina. I'm a member of the Upstate GM Truck Club. I drove my 79 hot rod rescue truck 550 miles to get a picture in front of the Battleship at Battle in Bama.
Hi, my name is Rob Pinkerton. I'm from Westminster, South Carolina, Carolina Truck Shop. I brought my 47 cab over engine. Great party going on down here at Battle in Bama. Sleeping on the ground, couldn't be better.
Hey, I'm Matt from Carolina Truck Shop.
I'm Jason from New Creations.
This is our buddy Clay's 1950 Suburban. He's not here at the premiere show of the Gulf Coast, but you should be.
Just out here doing a little specialty judging for the finalizing of the show. We got some badass rods that are out here, so we're ready.
How hard is judging the show?
Intense. Intense. It comes down to the cleanliness is so intense.
up? Grinder TV. This is Casey with Modified. We're out here sweating it out at Battle in Bama 2020.
Best of show goes to Mike Barsha.
What up, you crazy people? I'm Corona Free, and this is Battle in Bama 2020.